Hey there, friends. It's Amy here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through another Norwex bundle that I love. It's our Norwex skincare bundle, and this video is all about the Essentials skincare set. This is a simple three-step skincare routine designed to help us glow naturally, age gracefully, and without any harmful chemicals at all. Now, I used to have a cabinet full of different products. I was easily influenced. I didn't know how to use half of them, and for the most part, they would irritate my skin. Does anyone else have sensitive skin? They would irritate my skin, and I really didn't understand the order to use everything in. So I wasn't really getting a lot out of it. I feel like I used to use a ton of products. And in fact, the average woman uses about 12 personal care products every single day. And those products can contain up to 168 different chemicals that can impact our health, our hormones, and so much more. And that's why I'm passionate about reducing harmful chemicals wherever I can, not only in cleaning, but in our personal care routines. And honestly, Norwex makes that so easy to swap out our skincare with safer, effective options that are also EWG verified, meaning that they meet the strictest safety standards out there. So we're going to walk through the set. So any good skincare set is going to have steps, and this one does too. So we're going to start out with the cleanse phase. So when we cleanse, which we're getting ready to do, we're going to use the body and face cloth, which comes with it, and the cleansing facial powder. So step one is cleanse. Step two is treat. We're going to use the eye cream. And step three is to hydrate. We're going to use that hydrating moisturizer. So I have the Norwex body and face cloth here. I just got it wet with water. This cloth is super soft. It's made with Norwex microfiber and it's really plushy. Everyone loves this cloth. And it's also infused with our backlock, which is our silver, which means it's going to self-purify between uses. And I just use it with water to remove the dirt, the oil, even leftover makeup, or if I've been outside or on vacation, it removes sunblock really well. It's powerful enough to remove the waterproof mascara, but gentle enough not to irritate the skin. And I love that it has the silver so it stays fresher longer between washes. All right, so I cleansed all the stuff off. Now we're going to use the cleansing facial powder, which is still part of that step one. So this is a gentle cleanser made with bio-based surfactants, Nordic antioxidants, and rice bran. We're just going to add a little bit. See how it's a powder consistency? I just added a teeny tiny bit of water here, and it's nice and silky. Now, rice bran is a natural exfoliator. It gently buffs away dull, dry, or dead skin cells, right? And it's very gentle on the skin. It also has prebiotics, which help balance the skin's microbiome and helps our skin stay happy and healthy. And because it's water-free, it stays fresher longer in the container. Another ingredient that it has is kaolin clay. And kaolin clay actually helps remove excess oils, can help us from getting breakouts and blemishes on our skin. It's just really fabulous. And my skin always feels nice and refreshed after I use it. I do like to leave it on my skin for just 20 to 30 seconds, and then I will remove it with the body and face cloth. And I do that to give the probiotics a chance to work. When we think about our pores and how they fill up with things so easy, so oils, dead skin cells, those prebiotic or probiotics go in there and kind of clean everything out. And when our pores are cleaner, our skin looks tighter, which we want. Okay. Step two in any skincare routine is going to be the treatment phase. Now, Norwex has other treatment products, but we're just going to focus on the ones in the essential package. And so in this, I'm going to use our eye cream, the renewing eye cream. And mamas, grandmamas, night owls, this one is for us. I want to show you this picture before I started using Norwex skincare. Check out my eyes. I'm trying to get my face and my picture in the screen together. But if you look, I've had significant improvement in the bags under my eyes. This is why I swear by this skincare, especially this eye cream, which every gal needs in her routine. Now, one thing I forgot to mention, this is refillable. So when it runs out, which will probably take you about 6 months, you just get a little refill package, which is also less expensive, and pour that refill package right into the container, so less waste. Our eye cream is also refillable. So this one is about halfway gone. And when I'm ready for a refill, I'll just get a new cartridge, which are also recycled plastic. So you just keep the glass bottles, which are really nice. When I use this, I just use one pump. I'm going to do that right now. And I like to use this non-dominant, like my ring finger, to apply it because our ring finger has a more gentle touch. I like to dot it around that orbital bone, and then I also use it on my eyelids. Now, since this is free of all harmful ingredients, it is safe to use from lash line to eyebrow, which can help with those hooded eyes, help kind of smooth those and reduce them. But look, it's just so nice. It is really one of my favorite Norwex skincare products. And I love that it comes in this set because anytime you get sets from Norwex, you're saving money. It is a gel-like cream and it's infused with glacial water, which is so mineral rich. It soothes, it hydrates, has probiotics and vitamin C, which brighten and nourish, and has tons of Nordic antioxidants to help fight environmental stressors. I love that it hydrates and depuffs, which is really important. So our under eyes look smoother and more rested. And if you wear makeup, this sits so well under makeup. It's like having a filter. So that is my eye cream, and I love it. It's EWG verified, so no harsh fillers or fake fragrances, any of the toxic stuff. And this is also great for teens or young women who are just starting out in their skincare journey. It's not going to have any of the irritants. Some of my customers have really sensitive skin, have always had trouble finding skincare that worked for them, and they don't have any issues with this at all. All right, so the last step in this skincare routine is the hydrating moisturizer. So good, also refillable. So when it's empty, I'll just get a new cartridge. And the cartridges are PCR, so post-consumer recycled plastic, so they are recyclable. Now with this one, I typically use 1 to 1.5 pumps. So I did 1.5. This is the final step. This is a gel cream formula. It feels light, but it deeply hydrates thanks to hyaluronate, which is really good. So hyaluronate has, I believe, a smaller molecule size than hyaluronic acid, so it penetrates more deeply. Hyaluronate also draws moisture into the skin. Now, if you'll notice how I just applied that, I pressed the product into my skin and then I gently went up. We want to train our skins. We don't want to aggressively rub in circles. The hydrating moisturizer also has probiotics that help support our skin barrier, keeping our skin nice and moist, and honestly, kind of like a sponge to pull everything in, pull all the good stuff. Also has Nordic plant extracts, which are rich in antioxidants to help fight dullness and dryness. We don't want any dry, cracked skin, right? When our skin is dry, it cracks, and when it cracks, it wrinkles. It leaves the skin feeling soft, dewy, and balanced with no parabens, no phthalates, no synthetic fragrances, just real ingredients that nourish your skin. And I'm done. You can use it morning and night. You can use it one time a day. It's totally up to you. This is a easy, customizable set. So why do I like recommending this set to everyone? So number one, it's effective, it's safe, it's simple, it's EWG verified, which means every single ingredient has been screened against the strictest criteria for health and safety. You won't find harmful preservatives, synthetic fragrances, or questionable fillers. You are getting pure product, good active ingredients. It's simple and it's a proven skincare line backed by science, but also crafted with some care. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions at all about the ingredients, how to use the products, or what makes this set such a smart, skin-loving switch. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.